Hey, what's up guys, Jed here. How to begin intermittent fasting for maximum weight loss. Good question. Let's talk about it. But before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you stay up to date whenever I post a new video. Alright guys, so when you're considering doing intermittent fasting, there's one thing you have to do, right? And I think it's actually probably the most important thing you gotta do above everything else, right? And that, my friend, is you have to get your body used to it. Especially if you're someone who's never fasted before in your life, you have to do this. You have to do this step. If you're someone who gets hungry fast, you have to do this. So what is this thing that you guys need to do before starting intermittent fasting? That, my friend, is you have to practice shorter fasts, right? And these shorter fasts aren't really considered intermittent fasting, but they will help you get up to that 16-hour fast and above. Even I myself did this in the beginning when I was first starting. For example, if you sort of look at what your day looks like right now, diet-wise, I'm sure that a majority of you eat somewhere around 13 hours a day on average, right? This isn't the exact number, but I'm pretty sure a lot of you eat something similar to those hours, which again includes me, right? So when I first started, I looked at what I was already doing, even before I found out about intermittent fasting. I was typically eating for 12 hours a day. And so when I discovered intermittent fasting, the first thing I saw was if I want to do intermittent fasting, I gotta fast for 16 hours. But since I was just someone starting out, I was already feeling hungry within adding just 1 hour to my 12-hour eating window that I was already doing before even starting intermittent fasting. So that would be 13 hours in total. And that for me already was difficult, and it's not easy, right? And that's actually one of the main reasons why a lot of people that start intermittent fasting quit so soon. So what I recommend you do is, if you were like me, where you naturally have a 12-hour eating window, is by increasing that by 30 minutes either every day or every week. So what I personally did was I did it every day, and I would track my progress to see if I could last 12 hours, let me see if I can last 12 hours and 30 minutes, and then the next day let me see if I can last 13 hours, and then again let me try 13 hours and 30 minutes, so on and so forth. You guys get the idea. And the way this works is you're training your body to get used to fasting for longer periods of time until you're able to reach that 16-hour mark, which is of course the sweet spot for intermittent fasting. And this self-training works the same way if you want to go past that 16-hour mark as well. If you want to go 17 hours, 18 hours. So if you're someone who's considering doing intermittent fasting for the first time, I highly recommend you do this first before anything else. So if you guys want to get the full benefit of intermittent fasting, make sure you train your body first before even thinking about doing the 16-hour fast. Then once you reach that 16-hour fast, it's going to feel like a breeze. That's all I gotta say about that. If you guys are interested in learning more about weight loss and intermittent fasting, be sure to check out my last video where I talk about which intermittent fasting schedule is best for you. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and tap that notification bell so that you never miss out on any future videos. Also, don't forget to leave a like and comment down below letting me know if you guys found this video helpful. And with that said, I will see you guys next time.